Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Crown Prince, Vice President of the Council of Ministers and Minister of Defense of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Ministers, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to today's ceremony where 5 documents will be exchanged. First, we have the Memorandum of Understanding on investing in the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund between the Government of the Republic of India and the Government of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This will be exchanged on the Kingdom of Saudi Arabian side by His Excellency Mr. Khalid Abdulaziz Al Falih, Minister of Energy, Industry and Mineral Resources, and on the Indian side by Srimati Sushma Swaraj, Minister of External Affairs. Number 2, Memorandum of Understanding on Cooperation in the Field of Tourism between the Ministry of Tourism of the Republic of India and the Saudi Commission for Tourism and National Heritage of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This will be exchanged on the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia side by His Excellency Mr. Adel A.M. Al Jubair, Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, and on the Indian side by Shri T.S. Tirumurthy, Secretary Economic Relations in the Ministry of External Affairs. We then have the Memorandum of Understanding between the Government of the Republic of India and the Government of Saudi Arabia for cooperation in the field of housing. This will be exchanged on the Saudi Arabian side by His Excellency Dr. Majid Abdullah Al Qasabi, Minister of Commerce and Investment, and on the Indian side by Shri Ahmad Javed, Ambassador of India to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Number 4, Framework Cooperation Program between Invest India of the Republic of India and the Saudi Arabian General Investment Authority on enhancing bilateral investment relations. This will be exchanged on the Kingdom of Saudi Arabian side by His Excellency Dr. Majid Abdullah Al Qasabi, Minister of Commerce and Investment, and on the Indian side by Shri Ahmad Javed, Ambassador of India to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Number 5 is a MOU for cooperation on broadcasting between Prasar Bharati Corporation of India and Saudi Broadcasting Corporation for exchange of audio-visual program. This will be exchanged on the Saudi Arabian side by His Excellency Mr. Turki Abdullah Al Shabana, Minister of Media, and on the Indian side by Shri Ahmad Javed, Ambassador of India to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Excellencies, we are delighted to announce that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has signed the framework agreement of the International Solar Alliance. With this, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia will be the 73rd country signing the framework agreement. I would like to invite His Excellency Engineer Khalid Abdulaziz Al Falih, Minister of Energy, Industry and Mineral Resources of the Kingdom, to hand over the agreement to Shri Upendra Tripathi, Director General, International Solar Alliance. Excellencies, this concludes the signing of agreement ceremony. दोबारा तरफ दूसरी तरफ ले किया ना।
सेकंड सर, सेकंड प्लीज सर।
याद नहीं हो रहा। The PM sir.
प्लीज सर।
Thank you sir. चलो भागो। आपका बल कर रहे हो دي مواضيع بعيدين مرة
بندر بندر دف اللي عندك، دف اللي معك.
Right?